Hey folks, what's up? We are here on the wonderful Malines Road. If you want to get connected from Halfway Tree all the way down to Washington Boulevard, you have to come from Malines Road. For this entire month of March, we have our March Madness going on. Where, if you sign up one person to join the company, we're going to give you I'm going to take this off. If you get one person to join the company, we're going to give you 3 free shipping coupons. And the person who signs up is going to get 1 free shipping coupon. Listen, there is no limit on the amount of persons they can get to sign up. So you know what that means? They can get no free shipping coupon. One for freeness. So come down, we're going to deliver some things. Forward. I'm going to
She's here from afar.
Hey, good afternoon.
Can't work and I tell you working for me, man.
She hiding. I'm here to tell you about the 3-for-1 promotion, our March Madness. You heard about it?
Remember say he tell you do me. I do for me last time.
You know, you're March Madness. Well, if you get one person to sign up, we're going to give you 3 free shipping coupons.
No man, I open
And
the
if the
last
person that
year.
they get to sign up, they're going to get 1 free shipping coupon. Oh, that's all. Catch you later. You heard? What's your company? Telecom? Don't stop. Telecom?
Alright.
What do you
Yeah.
Okay, sell it on your repair. You hear that? Telecom. TV, phone repair. Right, that's it. Alright guys. Bye.